Hello, welcome back for another video of Surf Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you can get rid of the surface indicator of a BMW 5 Series 2017 model, also called the G30 model. And in this short video I'm going to show you can get rid of the indicator popping up when you turn the ignition on or press the ignition on. Okay, let's start right away. First of all, triple press the start stop button to have the ignition on. 1, 2, 3. Once you have done that, wait for the indicator pop up over here. I want to get rid of this indicator. Service due in 3,000 kilometers. We did an oil change and I'm going to get rid of that. And then there is a button on the left side. Press it and hold it till the surface menu appears on the dashboard like this. And now it says surface reset is possible. Press it again, keep pressing that. Now it says perform reset. Press it again and keep pressing it while it resets itself like this. Wait for it, and now it says reset successful. You can get through the menu, go through the menu by pressing this button and reset different menus or different surfaces of the car, the same way I did it for the oil change surface reset. That was it. This was a quick video on how to reset the surface indicator of a BMW 5 Series G30. Thanks for watching and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.